Hey everyone, welcome to our French lesson series.
Today, we are going for politely asking directions.
These phrases will help you get smiles and instant help anywhere in the French-speaking world. Let's master the grammar together. First section, polite ways to get someone's attention.
Start with excusez-moi. It means excuse me to politely begin talking. Excusez-moi.
Add respect with excusez-moi, madame, or excusez-moi, monsieur, or use pardon, exactly like English, pardon.
Or pardon madame or pardon monsieur for extra politeness. Now that we can get attention, let's learn how to ask for places. Begin with je cherche, meaning I am looking for. Je cherche.
Je cherche is present tense. Right now, I am looking. Polite full question. Pouvez-vous me dire où est for one thing? Can you tell me where it is? Pouvez-vous me dire où est?
Pouvez-vous comes from verb pouvoir, which means to be able. Polite, can you? Me dire is tell me. Où is where. Est means is when talking about one thing.
Example. Pouvez-vous me dire où est le secrétariat, la sortie, l'ascenseur? Can you tell me where the office or exit or elevator is? Pouvez-vous me dire où est le secrétariat, la sortie, l'ascenseur? Always use est for one single place, one secretariat, one exit.
For many things. Pouvez-vous me dire où sont les toilettes, les escaliers? Can you tell me where the toilets, stairs are? Pouvez-vous me dire où sont les toilettes, les escaliers? Sont means are when there are many. Easy. One, then est. Many, then sont.
Super simple direct way. Name the place and add s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Les toilettes, la cafétéria, la sortie, s'il vous plaît. The toilets, cafeteria, exit, please. Les toilettes, la cafétéria, la sortie, s'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît literally means if it pleases you, the polite French please. Or ask, le photocopieur, la cafétéria, c'est à quel endroit? Where is the photocopier or cafeteria? Le photocopieur, la cafétéria, c'est à quel endroit?
C'est means it is. À quel endroit means at which place. Short and clear. Politeness is essential. Always use madame, monsieur, and s'il vous plaît.
Be clear. Say exactly what you are looking for.
Core concept. Flexible. Use for any place. Secretariat, sortie, ascenseur, toilette, escalier, cafétéria, photocopieur. In English, secretariat, exit, elevator, toilets, stairs, cafeteria, photocopier. The best practical pattern. Start with polite attention getter like, excusez-moi, monsieur, then ask your question clearly.
Watch this natural role play. Excusez-moi, madame, pouvez-vous me dire où est l'ascenseur? Excuse me, madame, can you tell me where the elevator is? Excusez-moi, madame, pouvez-vous me dire où est l'ascenseur? Or, use the simple direct request. La cafétéria, s'il vous plaît. The cafeteria, please. La cafétéria, s'il vous plaît.
This is a compact guide for beginners, travelers, and professionals in French environments. It focuses on formal, polite language suitable for professional or public places. Thank you for learning polite French grammar with us today.
Like the video, comment your favorite phrase, subscribe, and hit the bell for more French lessons. Now you can navigate any French office or city with confidence and respect. See you in the next lesson!